Welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm just checking microamps on my Hamworthy boiler. It's a Hamworthy Wessex Module Max 220. So I've got my multimeter in my microamp setting, and we have it acting as a middleman here on the unit, on the LMU, where the lead is going in, the flame sensor is going in. So on this particular unit, let's get it into the setting. Okay, there we go. All right, another way of connecting it. Just gonna turn this unit off, get rid of some of the heat, and then going to show you how to check it from a different area. Okay, we've got rid of some of that heat. Let's turn the power off. And I'll put back my flame sensor where I took it from. Okay, time to connect my crocodile clips. Okay, we've got those ready. Our multimeter on microamps, and we have it on DC, direct current. Okay, we've got our leads connected on. Got our microamps there. Great, I hope that's helped you. These burners are always picking up dirt as they're drawing air in through the venturi. And as they draw air in, the burners get dirty, the probes get dirty, so the probes need cleaning regularly when you're servicing, and from time to time as well, burners need to be washed down. All right, we've got decent flame strength there. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.